Okay, so we're going to go through how to make our windshield here in Illustrator. Start with my sketch here, my XY plane, and we're going to draw a line here, and our dimension here is 3.04. So here and out, 3.04. Make sure our line is straight. It's not straight. Let's try this again. 3.04. Extend that out. Let's see this whole thing. And delete, and then we're going to put some arcs in here. So I'm going to go up to my arc, make sure you're on your 3-point arc here. And we're going to start at the corner, make sure you get your green dot. I'm going to drag it out to right about here, and we're going to change this dimension later. And I'm going to come back, and this radius is 6, and change that in a minute. So I'm going to go to my dimension tool. Let's do this first. I'm going to just pull this out. If you just click on it and drag it out, that gives you your radius. I'm going to change that to 6. And then my dimension from this point down, so I'm going to go from here and just bring it to this line, it's fine. That is going to be 1. And then my dimension from here to here is going to be, let's check this again, this is 2.55. So 2.55. And so this is set. So now we're going to come over to our arc here, get our green dot. We're going to come up about that far, come back down, and we can make that 6 right now. I know that radius is also 6, so that's good. And then we're going to grab our dimension tool, and our dimension here is 0.64 by 3.01. So this is going to be 0.64. This out. 0.6. Okay, by, again, we're going to go from this point right here to the end, pull that up, and this is going to be 3.01. And there's our dimension there. So the last thing we need to put in is our third arc, and we're going to connect the arc we just made to this one. Make sure they're green, make sure they're connected, and this is going to be 0.4. Put that in, and there we go. And we're all set. Now, if you read the directions, it says in order to put our fillet on here when we extrude this, we need to get rid of some of these dimensions, and then we're going to add a tangent constraint. So I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to get rid of this one. Just click on it and then hit delete. Click on this one, hit delete, and it really doesn't matter. I'm going to get rid of this one too, and this one too. And I'm going to come over to tangent, and I click on this line and this line, and then I'm going to click on my center curve and this curve, and that's it. And finish sketch. Okay, so we're going to extrude this out. Let's bring this back into view here. We're going to extrude this out 2.55. Set that, and then a fillet tool. We're going to come over here, and this is going to be a radius of 0.5 here. And we can just click on this side while we're here too, and that'll create that 0.5 as well. And click OK, and there we have it. Now, if you start clicking on this and it's only doing 1 or it's not showing up, what may have happened is you had a line that was disconnected. That's a possibility. So you want to make sure all your lines are connected and that you apply those tangent. You gotta apply these tangent constraints right here. If you don't do that, or if you have too many, it may not work. So you may check that as well. So that's our shell. So that's our part 1 of creating our windshield.